My name is Surina Gurung. I'm the principal of Galaxy Public School. British Council's Connecting Classroom provides international school partnership. This international school partnership inspires students to fully engage with lessons through joint learning activities focusing on global themes. So I'd like to show you some of the project activities, especially beekeeping activities that we have been doing with our partner school, Cardinal Allen Catholic School. So please follow me. So behind the school we have a green space. We have lots of flowering plants which flowers during springtime, which is favorable for the bees to suck nectars. Come on. So these are some of the flowers that we have here. This is the green patch of a land that we have behind the school. As far as we all know that our school is in the city area, so city area is a place where we don't have much green space. So we are encouraging, the school management is encouraging the students to know the value of greenery around the school area. So this is the playing area for small kids. We have here two beehives here for the bees too. Bees house. These are the bees house. You can see that there are bees coming in and out here. On both the ends we have bees coming in and out, and I hope that they are making lots of honey. Beginning we had difficult time convincing students that how we can understand and aware the students about the value of bees. Everybody wants honey, but no one wants bees near them. So now I think children are getting used to bees around them. Now they are not afraid of bees. So now this is springtime. We have lots of little sun rays. Now they are blooming. So we have patches of land where we have planted lots of bee-loving flowers. That is one is called Little Sunray. Not only this, we have planted other bee-loving flowers in our small islands around school areas. And we have Japanese peach plant which also flower during summertime, and whole of these trees they will turn into pink and white during springtime, and lots of bees gather around here. Here in front of our school we have another patch of green where we have lots of bird of paradise and little sun rays that are about to bloom now since it's springtime. And not only this, these green patches have enhanced the beauty of our school and have also attracted lots of bees. And here we have yellow trumpet vines, and these yellow trumpet vines have really enhanced the beauty of our school. And not only this, these yellow trumpet vines also attract lots of bees from the neighborhood as well. Okay, now follow me. Winter is just over and spring has come. So frangipani will also bear beautiful white flowers that has a beautiful scent and can attract lots of bees around here. We have frangipani here. We have Chinese magnolia. Since we are in the summertime, the magnolia have started blooming here in our school premises. And here are some of the green patches that we have. And junior students usually come here to see the greenery and to identify the plants. Now here in this part we have some of the fruiting trees, and here is a pear tree Here we have a guava tree. There are two guava trees, in fact, and every winter time they really brew a fruit, a very sweet fruit. And here are some pot flower. Here are some pot flower plants that we have. These also attract a lot of bees. And these are some decorative ornamental flowers that we have hung in order to beautify the place. And these are land orchid. This land orchid are also very precious. They are about to bloom. Their buds have come out. So after a month, they will also be blooming, and they also will be attracting lots of bees. Okay, this is our senior section, and again here we do have lots of green patches. Here also we have planted lots of little greenery plants. These are called little sun rays again. They are about to bloom now. They bear beautiful yellow flowers that attracts lots of bees. And all the children are also playing in the futsal area. You can see that. And also please follow me here. Children here, and this is a kind of a vegetable garden where children come and they usually plant seasonal vegetables. So right now we have mustard plant here, and I believe that mustard plant are really good for the bees. So you can see lots of mustard flower growing in this area, and this area is specially segregated for children to grow vegetables according to the season. Children love to come here and get their hands dirty. As you can see, there are lots of compost can here. So usually they also make compost. So you can see the compost here being made. So they also learn how to make compost through these cans. Okay, these are some of the activities that we showed in a video, that the activities that we did along with the students of Cardinal Allen School regarding bee project. I hope it was informative. Thank you